Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about BTST. So most of the people are aware like what is BTST. So BTST means buy today, sell tomorrow. So that is the concept of like if you can buy any stock and you can sell tomorrow. So that is the concept of BTST. Like if you are thinking like market is going to perform well tomorrow, so you can buy the stock and you can sell tomorrow. So that is the concept of BTST. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today we are going to explain about BTST. So in the BTST, like we can buy any stock today and we can sell tomorrow. So for example, like how we can buy the stock, the first thing is that we have to open whichever application we are using. Like if you are using Angel Broking or if you are using Alice Blue, so whichever the account you are using, you can use any account and you can buy the stock and you can sell the stock like tomorrow. Okay, for BTST, the first thing is that we have to identify like which stock we are going to buy for a BTST. So BTST means we have to identify, okay, these are the stocks are going to perform tomorrow well. So that is the reason we are buying today and selling tomorrow. So okay, let me show you an example like in Sun Pharma. Okay, Sun Pharma, I'm thinking like Sun Pharma will be going to up tomorrow. So that is the reason I have selected Sun Pharma. So the first thing is that you have to click on buy button. So here you can see the options, okay, like how much you are going to buy. So the quantity you have to enter here. Like for example, I am going to buy 100 shares. And here you have to see, this is the reason when you are buying in a BTST, you have to be very careful. Like if you are selecting intraday, this is not going to be a BTST. So intraday means you are buying today and you have to sell today. So that is a concept of intraday. And when you are going for a BTST, okay, you are thinking like maybe the Sun Pharma may go up within 1 week or 2 weeks. So that is the reason you are buying today. So in that occasions, you have to select either delivery or margin option. So these are the two options you have to select when you are going for a BTST. So these are the two options you have to select. So delivery means you won't be getting the margin. Okay, like for example, if you have 10,000 rupees in your account, you can buy only for 10,000 rupees. So that is the basic things of delivery. So you won't be getting any margin. So whatever money you have in your account, so same money you can use and you can buy. And when you are going with a margin, the company may give you like sometimes 5 times or 10 times. So based on that money you can buy 5 more times. So if you have 10,000 capital, you can buy for 50,000. So like that you can increase, okay, like 5 times they will be giving you. So based on 10,000 you can buy for 50,000. So that is advantage of margin. So either option you have to select. So once you select this option, here you have to select like either you are going to buy in market price, or if you are buying in a limit, like okay, you are thinking okay, I have to buy at 480 or 500, like that you can enter the price also. So these are the major areas you have to keep. Like when you are going for a BTST, you have to select either a delivery or margin. And once you set this, you can sell the stock at and there is one more thing, like if you are selecting intraday or instead of intraday you are selecting margin or delivery. Some of the people they think like okay, once if I select margin, I can't sell the stock today, and you are thinking okay, the stock is going to perform today only well, you can sell the stock today only, and there is no problem like if you have to sell only tomorrow. So that is a major concept of BTST. Okay, now we have seen about stock. Okay, in the same way, stock also will be having like let us say Sun Pharma. And if you take the stock, you can see there will be like futures and options also. So in the same way, you can buy the futures also, or you can buy the option also. Like in the future, like you can hold only till the expiry. Okay. So like if you are thinking, okay, the market will be going up tomorrow, so you can buy the expiry like based on the expiry like 30th July. So if you are buying the future, you can hold till 30th July. So after that, you have to sell. Otherwise, the company will be selling your shares. The same way you can go with options also. Like whatever things you want to do BTST, you can do the BTST. And only thing is that when you are going with options, the premium will be coming down. Say, like for example, you are going with Sun Pharma, thinking that the market will be performing very well in a month. And if you are buying the stock, you won't be getting the entire amount loss. So that is the advantage of cash market. So if you are going with a cash market, the market won't be going into zero, because it won't be getting expired. Like you can think like you can hold for like maybe 1 year or 2 years, and by that time the market may recover. But when you are going with an options, the options will be expiring every month. So the last Thursday, by the last Thursday, like the things are not going favorable to you, the things will be going into zero and the entire amount will be losing. So that is the problem, like when you are doing a BTST in options or in options, you have to be very careful. So the things will be going, if the things are going not in your way, the entire amount will be washed out. Okay, let us see about the same concept about Bank Nifty also, because most of the people are aware about Bank Nifty and Nifty. And Nifty, when Nifty, it will be like every weekly there will be expiry, and you are thinking, okay, today is Wednesday or Thursday, and you are thinking like Wednesday the market, tomorrow the market will be going up, and what happens, suddenly market was gone down, and you will be losing the entire money. So that is a problem of BTST. Like whenever you are entering, you have to be make sure that the market should go up. And during the expiries, when you are going for a Nifty or a Bank Nifty, you have to be very careful, because the premium only will be going down if the things are not going to your level, or the things are not moving. Like for example, you have taken now, you know, like the Nifty level is 11,150 and you are buying 11,200, thinking that the market may go another 40 points tomorrow. And what happens, suddenly the market may be open like in the same price. If the market is opening on the same rate on expiry, only thing is that the premium will be coming down, and you are thinking, okay, the market is opened without even profit or loss, why I am getting a loss? So if the things are not moving in a proper way, that is the reason there is an expiry. So every week there will be expiry on Bank Nifty and Nifty. So you have to be very careful when you are going for a BTST. Should make sure, okay, the market is going up, then only you have to enter into a market. So this is the major concept of BTST. Like BTST means you have to buy today and sell tomorrow. So if you can do anything, like if you want to go with Bank Nifty stock, so all those things you can do BTST. And this is the advantage of BTST. Like if the market is going very good, you can make a good money. You can hold for a long time. Like if you are going with a delivery, you can hold till lifelong also, because nobody is going to square up the position. And this delivery will be working out only on stocks. And if you are going with Bank Nifty, you can see like Bank Nifty, there won't be margin. So here you can see only, let us see the options. Okay, here you can see the options only there will be only two options, like intraday or carry forward. So this we can do only carry forward. So carry forward is also BTST, and like carry forward means till expiry day you can carry forward. And when you are going with a stock, you will be getting three options. The first option will be intraday and margin and delivery. And delivery means only in stock you will be getting delivery option. So delivery means you can hold till your lifelong. And if you are going with a margin, you can hold for maybe around 90 days. And if there is a loss more than 50%, the company will be squaring off your position. And intraday means you can hold only for a same day. So same day you have to buy and sell. So these are the major concept of BTST. Okay, coming to my WhatsApp group, like daily basis I will be providing like where we have to invest. Like daily basis I will be giving a suggestions on my WhatsApp and Telegram group. And here you can see I have created a WhatsApp group and Telegram group to help the beginners. Like whoever is a beginner, it will be helpful for them to earn and develop their marketing skill. So that is the reason I have created a free group, and you can join to this group. Like daily basis I will be providing you free tips here. And you can see like what are the resistance point and what is the support point, like where we have to invest. Like today I told to buy Nifty, and you can see like what is the profit of Nifty. Like some people they made 900, and you can see like what is the profit of today, 2000, and you can see 3000. This is the group where I will be posting like daily basis. I will be posting like where we have to invest and where we can which are the companies are performing well, and Nifty support resistance. So all those things I will be updating here. In the same way I will be updating in my Telegram group also. So this is a Telegram group. So here also I will be updating the same thing. So the link I will be giving in the description. Okay, you can visit my description and you can join to this group. So this group is absolutely free. Okay, in the same way, if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Lipin EJ, and you can learn more about market. So daily basis I will be updating like where we have to invest, or like what are the technologies we can use to get profit. So you can see in my like I have updated like complete tutorial on 200 EMA for a long time stock selection, and you can see the performance of HDFC Bank I have given for a long time investment, and HDFC Life I have given for a long time investment, and you can see what is the performance right now. So like lot of things I will be updating to my YouTube channel. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. So here it will be like I will be giving the link also in the description, so that you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, in the same way, if anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can contact me. So I have given the link also in the description. Okay, you can visit my description and you can open the account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue. So like whichever you are suitable, so you can open the account and you can contact me. Like once you open the account, I'll be helping you out to how to buy and how to sell. All those things I'll be helping you out. So you can visit my description and you can open the account. The link I have mentioned there. Hope this topic is very clear, and if you want to learn more about market, you can contact me and you can send me and you can see give your feedback, so that it will be helpful for me also to understand like what are the areas you are lacking, so that I can make a better videos in future. So if you are satisfied with this video, kindly like my video, also share to your friends, kindly subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.